Okay, today we're going to be working on not just one, but two DNA Phantom 500s. It's a 12 tuber. We had a 10 tuber. 10 tuber is just like brand new. I mean, it's so clean. All matched Sylvanias in it. The other one, yeah, mismatched tubes, as far as the brands, but they all tested good. So, yeah, that's what's on the bench now. Working on both at the same time. Pretty much doing the same work. Recapping, new diodes. This one's going to need a new power cord. So, power cord I think on that one's okay. But recap, new diodes. Also, very important to replace that resistor right there, I'm learning. That resistor is the dropping resistor. It drops the voltage to the input of the field coil of the relays. If it shorts out, overvolts the relays, burns out the field coils. Not good. So, yeah, both of these linears are going to get new dropping resistors in them too. That's it for Psychotech Labs for now. Catch me later. I don't know if it'll show up, but yeah, these diodes are all cooked. I was going to replace them anyway, I always do. Let's replace the caps, you replace the diodes too. That silicone material breaks down over time and then they short out like this one did. So, yep. Capacitance bank has been built and installed. So next, place the diode bridge. We're putting some beefy 3 amp diodes in there instead of the wimpy 1 amps. Catch me later. Psychotech Labs. We're on, I guess we'll call this Phantom 500 number 1. We still got to do Phantom 500 number 2. Yeah. Stay tuned. We'll be back. Psychotech Labs signing off. Okay. We repaired the cord, new diodes. We got new capacitors. This is, we're calling this Phantom 1. Phantom 2, I still got to put the new diodes in. So today, I'm going to slide the cover on, hook it up to a variac, slowly bring up the power. If it passes the variac test, then we're going to do a power test to see if it puts out wattage. So today's the day Phantom 1 gets some juice put in it. Catch me later. Psychotech Labs signing off. Okay, passed the variac test. It's warmed up a little bit. Let's take it off standby and flash key it and see what happens. Oh, the passiv's working too. Oh yeah, we have amplification. Audio. There we go. Stuck the meter. Well, we got it up to 500 watts so far right out of the gate. So that's not too bad. We still got some more tuning and stuff to do, but we're not going to bore you all with that. Let's get her tuned up, get her to full power. We'll do one more little quickie video on that. So far so good. Phantom number 1 is putting out power, and yeah, we just got to do some more tuning. See ya. Okay, this is Phantom number 2 recapped. New 3 amp diodes. Everything else in there looks good. I'm going to slide the case on for safety and put it on the Variac. Yay, Phantom number 2. Okay, this is Phantom number 2. It passed the Variac test, and oh yeah. Okay, so it's doing about 600 PEP. That's 2 watts dead key, roughly 2.5, and then about 13 watts input. So yeah, they'll put out more power if you drive them harder. So I'll say that's a wrap. 2 Phantom 500s, they're both working, both making power. What more can we say? Psychotech Labs, man. It's where the psychos go. Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube videos, everybody. Yeah, we'll do it again real soon. Catch me later.